Distances that are no longer distances. Places that are increasingly interconnected. Progress that is progress for everyone. Attitudes that are respectful of the environment. Services at the service of people's well-being. This is the world we are working for. CAF is one of the world leaders in comprehensive transport systems, serving railways for over a century, providing global solutions which look to the future. We propel the technology that creates progress, which connects, which drives sustainable mobility, whose ultimate aim is to improve people's quality of life. This is what motivates and moves us. Each idea needs someone who designs it. Each project, a team that develops it. At CAF, we fully engage with our clients to offer them high value-added solutions which enable them to be more competitive. Solutions which are distinguished by their high quality, efficient, cost-effective, today and tomorrow. We integrate the latest technologies into the production processes, which guarantees the global monitoring of the project. For us, innovating, developing our own technology is a priority, which has made us what we are. CAF is a reference in sustainable mobility, and it is present on all 5 continents, undertaking highly demanding projects in over 30 countries. We are passionate about what we do, and that is reflected in the strong motivation and commitment of our people. Thousands of professionals throughout the world, coordinated and working towards the same goal. To ensure that everything we do produces the best result. CAF, 100 years building the future.